Today I'll share with you how to make avocado tea. Many people know that avocado pear is lovely, but not many people know about this tea. But before we go into it, I'd like to say thank you to Boss J over here who is helping me cut some of the leaves off the tree. I'm afraid of heights, but he helped me and it's lovely. Also to my other cheerleaders in the background, Sister K, Baby E, Mama OG. Thank you so much for making my visit to the family house wonderful and fun filled. I really enjoyed it. So, these are the avocado leaves, and here is my big bowl. I'll separate the leaves from the stem, and of course, I'll put the separated leaves into the big bowl. As we continue with this recipe, I'll be sharing with you the benefits of drinking avocado tea. I would also be sharing with you how you can store excess avocado tea and how you can sweeten your avocado tea if you have a sweet tooth. But first, let's wash these leaves. Let's get these leaves really cleaned. I just poured some water into it and I'll be cleaning these leaves as many times as possible because leaves have dust and other impurities on them. Trust me, you don't want to have dirt in anything you are drinking. So now up to the benefits of avocado tea. Number one, avocado tea helps relieve pain, especially lower back pain. Secondly, it helps to lower cholesterol levels. Now, before we continue, I'll dispose this dirty water, get a clean water, and then continue. So, avocado leaves tea helps you relax. Yes, it helps you to sleep. Next, it helps with weight loss, but remember, moderation is key. On the flip side, it helps with digestion. Of course, remember, moderation is key. If you've watched this video to this point, please like this video, subscribe, leave your comment, share this video, and like it. Thank you. So I'm pouring some water into my pot. For this recipe, I used about 3 liters of water. Next, I'll put in the cleaned avocado leaves. You can see how clean these leaves are. Usually when I make this tea, I always make surplus because these leaves are not so easy to get. I had to visit my family at the family house to be able to get it, so I cook a lot of it. Now I'll cook for 15 to 20 minutes. As I've been saying, make sure you like this video, leave your comments, share this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you in advance. If you've not subscribed yet, thank you for watching. So this is what the tea looks like at this point, and we are almost ready. Yep. This is perfect. Now if you have excess of this tea just like I have, all you need to do is let it cool down, pour it into a plastic bottle or a glass bottle, and save it in your refrigerator. That's it. If you have sweet tooth, like I know some people, they have sweet, they like things to be sweet. Don't worry. Add some honey to it and you're good to go. Remember, good food should be enjoyed.